got snow travels in Ohio on exit on I-80. I think I'm in the middle lane, really can't tell. As you can see, it's snowing pretty good. It's 63 miles to the 90, but I got till 4 a.m. to go there, get there. 32 degrees, 45 mph, excuse me. Just gotta watch your bottom dollar. I'm actually gonna stop in about 5 miles at the service plaza. Cause I got my clock's running low. And I'm figuring if I'm 60 miles away, it's supposed to pass through within a couple of hours. And the salters are just coming out now. You see them on the other lane. Traction is pretty good. No complaints on that. Trying to keep enough distance between myself and other vehicles, of course. Bigh transportation in the great state of Ohio. Just gotta be careful of these other guys, other people. Got the exit from Toledo up here. See, it's coming down at a good rate. Down to 40 miles per hour. I think that's a wiggle wagon up front, which means double. Maintaining 40 miles an hour. I'm also very heavy too. I'm 42,000. So I'm pretty much planted. I'm in the 10th hole. So I believe my weight's evenly dispersed. I did catch a weigh scale on the way up from Virginia. Got the green light, which means I'm legal. It's 31 degrees now. I'm doing about 37 miles per hour. I think I'm in the middle lane. Might be hogging the third lane. The lines are gone, as you probably can see. That's called the wiggle wagon, from what I understand. gas, trying not to do any steering whatsoever. No sudden jerks in the steering wheel. I'm going to blow into the first lane. It's a mess. Got a truck coming up on my left. Trying to get over just a little bit more. This way he can blow past me. As you might be able to see in that sign coming up, in 2 miles I'm going to get off. I'm sure it's going to be a madhouse in there. Maybe not. When I passed about 13 miles back, it was kind of quiet. No, I'm sorry, I passed that 23 miles behind back. So another encounter with snow this year. It's funny, you see that sander on the other side, Salter, whatever. Every time, they're always in the opposite direction. It's so funny. The Salter must have came through here because it's really loosened up. So what's happening now is my engine fan is on because the snow is packed up. Really packed up. My radar is disabled. So when I stop, I'll get out and clean it off. Nice and easy on this off ramp. I'm into Jake 1 because I'm heavy. That's all she wrote, folks. I need to shut down. As I said, my clock is whimpering. Very light on the brakes here. Very light. Just touching it. Off the Jakes now. I don't need Jakes. And we're safe. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe or share and do whatever you got to do. Appreciate it. Y'all have a safe night. And we'll talk to you soon. Yeah, that snow was whipping. Let it run for another minute. God, I got got food with me. Apparently we got a lot of trucks in here. I don't know what they're doing here. It's a winter wonderland out here. Again, they're calling for like 3 inches, so it's not that bad. Yeah, she's jammed up here. She's jammed up. She's packed. I mean, the parking lot's packed. I got some room up here. I'm gonna put it in here. Yeah, she's busy. One of those nights up here. Park it wherever you can find room. I need some clock. Folks piling in here. Yes, sir. Nice guy and pull it over as much as I can. That's it, folks. That's what we have. Have a great night. Again, like and subscribe. Big H Transportation signing off.